Doe maar. Yfke, Belle, Blomke, Rein and Sully with a blanket. And Rein thought, whoa, that's scary. So he came back and he slipped there and he fell. And I think it's not nice. I hate it. Come. Doe maar bellen. Blomke. Oh, brave. Hey. Oh. There he has a bit schaafplek. Schaafplek. I don't know the English word again. Sorry. But I think he's okay, but I don't like it. Hey, Rein. And yesterday we got the news we can't use that bridge anymore with the car. And we have to go over it to go to the village where, hello, where the children are at school. So we only can use it with a bicycle or walk, but no car anymore. And if we use a car, we have to go all the way there to the village over there. You can't see it that far away, and all the way back on the highway, and then through the aqueduct all the way to the city and all the way back to the village. It's 20 kilometer more than we used to. So please make that bridge. Hey Bella. Hey. Goed zo. Bella. Bella is in Queen Unique, her stall. Hey Bella. And this is what Unique always did. Oh, it reminds me of your mom. Yeah. What are you looking at? there? Spiders? There's Blomke and Yfke, and Rein is watching the sheep again. I hear he's there. He's snoring. Oh, he just turns. Come! Yfke. That's Dutch, I think. And Rob. And Belle, yeah. Hey Yfke. I'm standing here. So that's strange. Don't bite my shoe. No. There's Blomke. Hey Rein. Hey, be careful. No, don't bite me. And Blomke does the same with an halter. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, Blomke. Blomke is with her mom, Sully. What are you doing? Be careful. Sully will kick. That's what I mean. Boukje en Reintje. But I was cleaning the stalls, and what I do, I throw it in the back, and tomorrow we clean it. Daisy, I give her some hay. Hey Glendy. Beets. It was raining yesterday, and today it is dry, so Blomke, Belle, Yfke en Rein. Hey. Blomke, Yfke. See. There I see. And the ponies. And left Spidey, but you can recognize him. And yeah, the biggest is Peach. Left is Daisy and right is Glendy. Hey! Yfke. Belle and Blomke. En Reintje, Boukje en Sally. Sally, come! Oh, there's another one. Juke! Hey!
Nou, Yvonne alweer druk bezig. Ja, je hebt paarden, maar dat geeft ook mest. Hey, goedemorgen. Alweer druk.
Okay, Sully walked in this stall when I opened her stall. And she's scared of the sheep. Belia and Duits and Rob. Kom eens. Kom maar. Kom. Nee. Kom eens. Goed zo. Braaf, Saly. Goed zo. Saly. Hey, kom eens. Zie je hem? Okay, if she lowers her head, there are no sheep at all. So that's perfect. Come. Okay. Hey. Goed zo, Saly. Goed zo. Wel, kom. Reintje. Boukje. Hallo? Normally Saly also comes. Yeah, she comes. Boukje. There's Saly. Goed zo. Hoi Rein.
Hoi.
Op wie zit?
Op Saly.
Op Saly. Nou, wat leuk. Ho. Ho. Nee. Het lukt net. Ho.
Dot, dan doe ik een herrie.
Ja. Hey Boukje. Mag ik nou misschien?
Ja,
Oh yes, gelukkig.
dan wel.
Welke vies het leukst? Reintje, Saly of toch uniek?
Uniek.
Ja. Ik. Saly. Reissie. Belle, Blomke en Yfke.
Poepie.